In today's video, I'm going to teach you close more, click less, how to automate proposals with ClickUp plus AI agents. If you spend time copying details from a deal into a proposal, this walkthrough will save you hours each month. We'll build a simple automation that turns a sales trigger into a ready-to-send proposal, with AI drafting the text so you can focus on closing. Make sure you're in the ClickUp workspace and list where you track deals and have any proposal document templates ready to use. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating to the specific list where you manage proposals or sales opportunities. Building the automation directly in that list keeps it scoped, predictable, and easier to maintain, especially if you rely on custom fields like client name, package, price, or timeline. Open the automation panel in the Lists toolbar. This view also helps you see existing rules so you don't duplicate logic. Then click Create Automation to open the builder, where you define what kicks things off and what should happen on autopilot. Now customize the rule to match your proposal workflow. Choose a clear trigger, such as when a task moves to a proposal needed status or when a form submission creates a new opportunity. If you only want this to run in a specific pipeline or for certain deal sizes, add conditions so the rule fires only when it truly matters. Next, stack your actions. Popular choices include creating a doc from a proposal template, assigning an owner, setting a due date, and posting a comment with a link to the new document. Map custom fields into the doc and comments using dynamic variables so the client name, scope, and pricing flow in automatically. If your plan includes AI, add an AI action to draft the proposal body. Provide context from the task description and fields and guide the AI with a concise prompt that covers goals, deliverables, timeline, and pricing notes. Keep variable names consistent and include short fallback text in case a field is empty. Before saving, give your automation a clear, searchable name and confirm it's scoped to the correct list. Where available, preview the rule, run a quick test with a sample task, and review the activity log to confirm each action fires once. If something looks off, refine your conditions, verify field mappings, and watch for loops caused by actions that re-trigger the same status. When everything looks good, save the automation. From now on, moving a deal into the proposal stage can create the document, fill in details, notify the owner, and let AI draft the content so you can review, personalize, and send in minutes.